USCAR-SPECIFIC. This trailer wiring mounting bracket is designed to securely mount USCAR factory 7-way sockets on Ford, GM and Nissan vehicles. Flexible mounting. The bracket features slotted fastener holes to fit a variety of trailer wiring harnesses. It allows you to mount the wiring harness onto your vehicle or trailer hitch, whichever is most convenient. High strength. This trailer wiring harness bracket is made from solid steel to provide plenty of strength for a solid mount and to remain fixed in spite of vibrations while towing. The steel body will not crack like plastic alternatives. Corrosion resistant. To face the weather and elements with ease, this trailer wiring bracket is covered in a black powder coat finish, helping to resist rust for long-lasting strength. Easy to install. To install this mounting bracket for vehicle trailer wiring, you can bolt it directly onto your vehicle using the top screw holes, or you can pair this bracket with the CURT number 57202 for a convenient, no-drill, tube clamp mount. CURT electrical connector brackets provide a simple solution for mounting wiring to your trailer hitch or the rear of your vehicle. Connector wires can be a nuisance when they are just lying around. They can get tangled up with cargo and even damaged. An electrical connector left to hang off the back end of your vehicle is an even greater hazard. Secure, protect and optimize the use of your electrical connector by mounting it with a CURT connector bracket. This trailer wire connector bracket is designed to hold a round connector socket. It features sturdy steel construction with a black finish and slotted mounting holes for flexible installation on your vehicle or trailer hitch. When it comes to plugging in your trailer lights, it pays not to skimp out. CURT Electrical is the smart way to ensure that your trailer lights and electrical systems are prepared for the road ahead. Keep the power flowing, no matter where your adventures take you, with quality electrical products from CURT. Top reviews from the United States. Well built and compact. Bought this to install 7-pin on my Jeep JK. This unit has a much lower profile than the standard one that came with the 7-pin. I was able to install it and have it be tucked up enough so it does not get ripped off when I am rock crawling.